Everyone. I'd like to show you how to get into Collaborate if you haven't done that before. So the first thing we need to do is log into eCampus. I'm already logged in, so I'm going to select the course where we'll be having the Collaborate session, and that's IDT650, which is the Multimedia Learning course. Okay, now I'm in the course, and to enter a Collaborate session, I click on Collaborate. And when you come in, you'll see these three options up here. You have access to this tool to create and schedule a session. You also have access to join a conference that is in what's the instructor's room, in this case the Lorena Ruberg's room. We will be using this room when we have the guest speaker. That is October 7th. That way all three classes can participate in the conference. But for tonight's session, please join the IDT650 room. And you click on Join Room. And then you'll see this interface here where if you haven't downloaded Blackboard Collaborate Launcher, you need to do that. And also if you haven't downloaded it in the past 2 months, there has been an update and you'll have to download the most recent version. I just downloaded it 2 days ago, so I can just go directly to Join Room. And then here I'm looking at the interface to open the software. I'll select Choose. Here's Blackboard Collaborate Launcher in my list of applications. I'll open it. And sometimes the system asks you, do you want to run this application? Click Run. The application is opening up. And this is usually a process that, depending on your bandwidth speed, can be slower or faster. I'm running the Collaborate on a wireless network that's fairly fast. Now tonight I'm going to record the session, but for this demo I am not going to record the session. So when you log in, just like me, you'll see your name listed with your email address beside it. And up here are the tools. I'd like you to, once we get started tonight, we start at 6:30, I'd like you to click on the video link and just come on for a minute to say hello. And this is the talk button, which you will activate when you're speaking to the group. So come on, say hello, and you don't have to keep the video on the whole time. Some of the tools that we'll be using tonight are the raise your hand tool, which you'll click on when I ask a question and I want to get everybody's feedback. Also, you'll notice here that I will open up these controls for you when it's time for you to ask a question. Also, if later in the course when we're all sharing presentations and you have something to share, I'll be making sure that you have access to these tools, which you can share your desktop to link to the web, or you can import a PowerPoint presentation or another software application. It doesn't have to be an Office application. And throughout the evening we'll use the chat for you to post questions. The audio will be available for you, but this is a quick tour of what's available, and I look forward to seeing everyone tonight. So thank you. If you have any questions, please email me.